Sam has read 12 investing books, built 6 spreadsheets, and invested nothing. His less knowledgeable friend started 2 years ago. That is the psychological wealth paradox. Knowing more can delay action, while someone with a simpler plan begins building wealth sooner. But does action really beat intelligence? The useful answer is subtler. Knowledge creates wealth only when it changes repeated financial behavior. Consider a simplified choice. Sam can invest $300 monthly for 30 years, or spend 5 years searching for perfection. Assume a diversified investment earns an average 7% annually, compounded monthly. That hypothetical return is purely illustrative, variable, and never guaranteed. Sam understands volatility, fees, valuation, and economic cycles. Each new fact reveals another risk, so he postpones his first contribution. His problem is not intelligence. It is analysis paralysis, when continued comparison delays a decision after enough information already exists. Suppose Sam begins investing now. His first $300 earn returns. Then future returns can also earn returns through compounding. He consistently adds the same amount every month. After 30 years, his total contributions equal $108,000. At the assumed return, the account grows to roughly $366,000. About $258,000 is growth. Now, follow the delayed version. Sam researches for 5 years, then invests the same $300 monthly for 25 years. He contributes $90,000. At the same assumed return, his final balance is only about $243,000. Waiting reduced his contributions by $18,000, but the ending gap is roughly $123,000. Compounding time amplified it. The early deposits mattered most because they received more years to compound. Lost time cannot be recovered merely by learning more. This is perhaps the strongest part of Rothman's argument. A workable decision made consistently can outperform an excellent decision never implemented. Yet the phrase, "fools get rich," creates a dangerous shortcut. Acting quickly does not automatically make a decision financially sound. If Sam puts everything into one fashionable stock, speed has replaced hesitation with concentration risk, meaning one failure can dominate his result. Diversification spreads money broadly across investments. It cannot prevent every loss, but it reduces dependence on any single company or asset. Frequent action can also become overtrading. A major study of brokerage accounts found the most active households substantially underperformed the market. So, inaction has an opportunity cost. But uncontrolled action has costs too. Fees, taxes, poor timing, and exposure to avoidable risk. The real divide is not scholars against fools. It is useful knowledge plus consistent execution against prolonged hesitation or unexamined impulse. Sam, therefore, creates a decision threshold. Understand the goal, time horizon, risks, costs, and diversification. Then choose and automate the contribution. Automation matters because it turns one decision into repeated behavior. Sam no longer needs to win the same argument every month. Now change only one variable. Instead of waiting 5 years, Sam carefully researches for 3 months and then starts the identical plan. After 29 years and 9 months, the simplified account reaches about $359,000, roughly $7,000 below starting immediately. That smaller gap shows research is not the enemy. Research becomes costly when additional information no longer improves the decision enough. The practical question is not, do I know everything? It is, what must be true before this action is reasonable? The wealth paradox is resolved here. Intelligence does not block wealth. Knowledge without a decision rule can block the behavior that builds it. Good financial execution is neither reckless nor perfect. It uses enough evidence, controls major risks, begins and adjusts when relevant facts change. And once action finally begins, another question appears. Should Sam invest a lump sum or spread his money across several months?